एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग मेदक फोर्ट जा रहे हैं विच इज़ अराउंड 117 किलोमीटर्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली फ्रॉम हैदराबाद। सो इट इज़ अ ब्राइट सनी डे और वैसे ही निकलते निकलते लेट हो गया। हम लोग का डिसाइड हुआ था कि हम लोग घर से अराउंड 11 o'clock निकल जाएंगे, बट मेरे लिए आई गॉट अप लेट एंड वी स्टार्टेड द जर्नी बाय अराउंड से 1 o'clock. So मेदक इज़ अराउंड 117 kilometers फ्रॉम द सिटी. तो अगर आप लोग सेल्फ ड्राइव कार लेके आ सकते हो then that is the best option you have. And in Medak, basically there's 3 places which if you're coming from Hyderabad you can visit. One is a church, one is a dam and another is the fort. But unfortunately हम लोग church या dam में नहीं जा पाए, but we anyhow covered the Medak fort because हम लोग यहाँ तक आ चुके थे. मन तो बहुत था वो चर्च जाने के लिए और वो डैम जाने के लिए बिकॉज दैट इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस इन मेदक, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोग नहीं जा पाए. एक्चुअली दिस मेदक प्लान वाज अ सडन प्लान बिकॉज हम लोग को और कहीं पे जाना था और हम नहीं जा पाए. सो वी केम टू मेदक, बट वैसे भी लेट थे और यहाँ पे हम लोग को पुलिस ने रोक लिया. सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन क्या हुआ था एग्जैक्टली. वैसे तो हम लोग का कोई गलती नहीं था. आई वॉज वेयरिंग अ सीट बेल्ट, एवरीवन इन द कार वेयर वेयरिंग मास्क एंड सब कुछ ठीक ही था. बट एज दिस कार वॉज रेंटेड फ्रॉम जूम कार, इट हैड अ फाइन ऑफ अराउंड 7,900 विच वॉज अनपेड. सो रोकने के बाद आई हैड अ वर्ड विद द पुलिस मैन and these guys were so good, like they were full cooperative and they didn't use any hard languages, because literally if you go to other places in India, policemen talk to you like that you're a thief or a criminal, but these guys were really polite and they asked me like if the car is mine or not. So I said no, I have hired it. So I had to call Zoom and literally they paid off the fine. And after that we were asked to leave. Then हम लोग मेदक फोर्ट की तरफ निकल गए. So this Medak fort is located inside a city. आपको exactly पता नहीं चलेगा कहाँ से जाना है, क्या करना है, but if you follow Google Map will show you a different direction. बट आई सजेस्ट कि अगर आप मेदक की तरफ कभी भी जा रहे हो और फोर्ट देखना है सो यू कैन आस्क द लोकल गाइज, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम लोग ने जो रास्ता था मेदक फोर्ट को डायरेक्ट हम लोग उसको मिस कर दिए और वी वे इनटू द मार्केट. सो फाइनली लोगों को पूछ के वी हैड टू गेट द वे टू द मेदक फोर्ट एंड द रोड्स आर वेरी इट्स नॉट वेल मेंटेन्ड and if you're not really a good driver, don't try to get your car above the hills, because यहाँ पे गाड़ी लेना is a hectic job because you have that sharp turnings जो ऊपर जाने की तरफ आपको दिखेगा वीडियो में. बट यस, अगर आपको गाड़ी चलाना अच्छे से आता है then you can get your car easily there, no worries with that. By the time we reached this Medak fort, already 3:30 या 4 बज गए थे, but we didn't had a lot of time to visit this place. But हम लोग ने पूरा कवर किया and by 6:37 we got back. So finally after all of this we reached the Medak So this fort was built around in the 12th century by the Kakatiya rulers, and later it was ruled by other kingdoms also. But this fort was basically a command post, and 17th century a mosque was also built over this fort. And exactly, if you talk about all of these, it's a beautiful place, and the location where the mosque is actually built, you can see the entire city from that place. So if a command post is like this, yes, it is a very beautiful place. Basically, there are three entrances to the fort. Like the first entrance, then we have the lion entrance, then we have the elephant entrance. In Hindi, it's known as the Pratham Dwaram, then Shimha Dwaram, and then Gaja Dwaram. So, in the first entrance, it's like you enter the fort, and in the second entrance, it's the Simha Dwaram, which have two of the lions sitting above the gate, and the third, which is the main entrance to the fort. So that is the elephant entrance, which is known as the Gajadwaram, and you have the sculptures of elephants there. So basically, it's a very good place and well maintained. But as we, Indians, we litter everywhere. We like throw dustbins, and we write on the walls. We don't care about the monuments, but this place are really awesome, and literally I'll plead everyone, if you are visiting all these places, do not litter it.
Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun.
यहाँ पे गाय कैसे ऊपर आते हैं? This is on the side, on the other side. यहाँ पे हम जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं ऊपर क्या है, देखते हैं.
Close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be
कहाँ पे?
close to the sun.
हाँ रे,
The sun.
चनकुल भी नहीं.
so now we are going to the fort upper part, and we'll see what's the view there. Let's go and check. We're exhausted, but आए हैं तो इतना तो करके ही जाना पड़ेगा. अभी जाते वक्त ही कोई बोला है बहुत अच्छा जगह है, तो चलते हैं और देखते हैं कैसा जगह है.
So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
And the city looks beautiful from this place. Like you can see the trams, and such a lovely place this is. To visit Medak Fort in Hyderabad, it's around 200 kilometers from the city, and it's lovely. And this is the evening view of the city, a lighted place. So we are at the end of this vlog. Hope you people enjoy it. Do share, like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.